You're going to breathe easy knowing the Shark HP102 Air Purifier is doing its job. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Out of the box, and there's just the main purifier unit. And you're going to have a little work to do before you start her up. You'll notice this yellow warning label telling you to remove the filter packaging. So go ahead and turn it upside down and twist open the filter door. And then just remove the filter from the plastic wrapping and insert the filter the same way you took it out. You'll know the filter door is on tight when you hear it click in place. Press the power button to start, and in a few seconds, the display on the front of the purifier will show the current air quality in both a percentage and a colored representation of how clean it is. Blue-green equals good. Orange-yellow, bad. While the air quality is okay here, we decided to see how much different an exhaust-filled garage would register on the meter. What a massive difference. On the top, you've got this control panel with a range of different modes, settings, and information you can access. Pressing the Air Info button will switch display options, such as percentage clean air, time to clean air, particle sizes, and much more. And you can also see the approximate filter life by pressing this button. And this button controls fan speed with 4 different settings. And then we love this feature. It's the Auto button. It'll automatically choose the fan speed based on the air quality it detects, using a technology they call Clean Sense IQ. After the purifier records 100% clean air for 10 minutes on auto mode, it automatically switches to eco mode at a lower power, where the filter life will be optimized. Now, there's a lot of technical jargon that goes along with air filters, so brace yourself. The Shark Air Purifier is HEPA certified, meaning it'll capture 99.98% of dust, pollen, mold spores, and bacterium bigger than 0.2 microns. One single machine can purify a 500 square foot room, and the microban treated filters are good for around 6 to 12 months. So, what do we like about the Shark HP102 Air Purifier? Firstly, while the Shark Air Purifier isn't exactly silent, the fan does give an almost white noise background sound, meaning it could help for light sleeping infants. Auto mode is also great if you want to set and forget, without having to worry about burning through your spare filters too quickly. We were also impressed with how fast it worked. In most rooms, we found that it quickly improved the air quality in just under 10 minutes. So, what don't we like? Filters are a little hard to come by at the moment, with all replacements currently sold out. This will probably change soon, but not a great first impression. Also, there's no app connectivity or a way to look at the air quality in your home remotely. That would have been a nice feature to have. But enough from me. Let's talk to Matt and find out what he thinks.
I mean, look at this air purifier. This thing is beautiful. It's one of the best looking ones I've ever reviewed, hands down. But I'll tell you what I don't like about it, and that's the cost of the filters. These things will cost you $100 to replace the filter. That's almost half the price of the entire unit here. I don't get it. I don't get it. That's way too much. The Bissell air purifier that we reviewed a while back, those replacement filters were only like $30, and you could get generic ones for $23, $24, I think, which is a way, way better deal in my opinion. I don't know about a $100 air filter.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Shark HP102 Air Purifier? The lack of a readily available supply of filters is a big negative for us. If that changes, we'll change the score. But at the moment, we're giving it A 6 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we're going to give you a couple options here. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for only $229.99. Or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.